When you put passion and hard work into your business, you're ready to see it grow and thrive. As you focus on keeping things up and running along the way, some really cool technologies from Hikvision can help you take better care of your business. Here's how. While you concentrate on the essential tasks, let us give you a helping hand with the other things.
Hey Kevin,
You are always on time. By the way,
happy birthday. I got a gift for you.
it's on the shelf.
Don't forget to take it.
Like when you need to open the door for your delivery man during the morning rush. You can't be everywhere at every moment. But with our LiveGuard-enabled camera, your voice can.
This is the side door of the cafe. Please do not park here.
Like when you need to let someone know they parked in the wrong place. At the end of each day, you can relax, close up your shop, and leave without worry. You can arm your AX Pro alarm system with a single tap. You can always check in remotely on your phone from virtually anywhere. You can even turn on a light with our Hike Connect mobile app. Our cool security technologies help your business in many ways. And all these helps add up to make a big difference. Take better care of your business with cool security technologies. Discover more at hikvision.com.